Hello everyone, I am Usnik Biswas. Currently I am studying BTech in Karunya University. My registered number is UR15CS144. So today I'll be explaining my second experiment in C++ lab. I'm in the sixth batch and the topic of this experiment is operators. So my questions are like I have four questions out here. I'll do any two of them. My question is develop a C++ program which accepts amount as integer and display the total number of nodes of 500, 100, 50, 20, 10, 5 and 1. So here is an example like the number is 575, so the result will be like 500 note 1, 100 note 0, 51, 21, 10, 0 and 5 1 and 0 number of ones. So here we start. So this is my program. I've taken the main body here. I not used any function. So this here I asked the user to enter any amount using cout and stored it in AMT. And after that I created a backup of that variable as AMT1 and stored the value of AMT in that variable. In this I've initialized the variable like for each nodes currency node there is like from FH stands for 500, H stands for 100, FI for 50 rupees note, TW for 20 rupees note, T for 10 rupees note and F for 5 rupees note. And another one, the ones no not no once coin I've used, we'll come to that later anyway. So to get the 500 rupees note I've like divided the AMT with 500, so as it's an integer so it won't take the value after the point, so it will be like the number of notes will get, that's FH equal to AMT by 500. So after that, after taking out FH, I minus 500 rupees note. Like here I minused it with FH into like the value of FH into 500. So here we'll exclude all the 500 digit, and after that I've I've taken out the number of H nodes. So here I've done same like 500 nodes, so H equal to AMT1 by 100, then I am reduced like that number of hundreds from the AMT1 which was pre-existing there. Likewise I for 50 rupees note I divided with 50, again with 20 for 20 rupees note to take out how many 20 rupees note required, it took like divided with 20. Again for 10 rupees note I divided by 10, and for 5 rupees note I divided with 5. So and after that I printed the value here using cout. The number is AMT, like given the number I stored the variable to like display it later. So this backup of the AMT which I had given first, so it will be used now, so we can print the same number again. And after that I've displayed the number of nodes for different nodes, obviously like 500 FH for 100, H for 50, FI for 20, TW for 10, T and for 5 F, and finally for 1 the value which remained in EMT. So this is the program. Now I'll show you how it works. So I'll give any number, say 5 4 1 2 3 1 2 4 5 4 1 1 2 4 or 4 3 anyway. So in this number the notes are 1082 500 rupees note. After that 200 rupees note, 050, 220 rupees note, 0 5 rupees coin, and 3 1 rupees coin. So this is how the program runs, and the application of this program is that we can like use this program in any billing store, like to take out how many notes, like how will arrange like these number of notes required to pay the amount which we want to pay. So instead of thinking like how many 500 notes we will give and how many 100 rupees note, 50 rupees or 20 rupees or 10 rupees note we have to give to the customer, we'll use this program to tell exactly how many 500 notes, 20 notes, 20 rupees note, like exactly how many notes and which note we have to give. So it will reduce our processing time, and it will give us more efficiency in like large crowd handling in businesses and uh, workplaces. And the unique thing in my program is that I've used this AMT one, like to store it AMT to make a backup of it, which I can use later to print the same value. Uh, this we couldn't like it was not so important to do, but I did. And this was my first question. So my second question, which I attempted, was to develop a C++ develop a C++ to input a single character and print a message. It is vowel. Like in this question, we have to enter a character and see if it's a vowel or it's a consonant. So for this program, this is the code. In the main function, I've entered a character which is input and asked the user to give the input using cout and accepted in the variable input, like with using cin. And I've used this if condition. I've used this in if condition to like uh, check if they are vowel or not, and use this or function. Like we know or in or function or operator, if any one of this is true, then the whole statement is taken as true. So here likewise a, e, I and u both in uppercase and lowercase I have put inside if statement. If it's equal to a, if the entered value is equal to these variables, then it's a vowel, and if it's not, then it's any of the other letters which is not a vowel. That's why it's a consonant. It's a simple program, so we'll run it and see. We'll take first we'll take an input which is vowel like u. Yeah, it's working fine, and again we'll run the program to see any consonant like G or something. The input is a consonant, so this program works fine. And the application of this program is that there is we can use this program to find out if the input character is vowel or not. That's the first application, and this program can be used to understand the or operator more nicely, and the if condition, to know how the if condition works and or operator works together. So this is the application, and the unique character of my program is that I've used both lowercase and uppercase in this program, so that there is no confusion if the user gives capital A or small a or even capital U, or like any of capital or small. It doesn't depend upon the cases. So if I wouldn't have done this, then if I wrote only small letters and forgot the capital letters, so if the capital letters someone gives A, E, I, or O, or U, then it would have printed as consonant. So this is my program, and that's all my second experiment. Thank you for watching.